Hi guys, this is Connie from Connie's Nails and Creative Creations. Today I'm taking part in the all year long Christmas. Indiana Jones puts this together every month. She loves Christmas, so she is taking advantage of the 25th of every month, and she is going to be celebrating a theme on Christmas. Now this month's theme is joy, so we're gonna get right to that in just a moment. Her co-host this month is Melissa from Melissa Makes It DIY. So let's get right into this. Now this Christmas, I love Christmas, and this means a lot to me. This painting, or this thing I'm gonna make, it's each day I write my story of my life. That brings me a lot of joy in my life, that I can now write my own story. I'm not having to go to a job and make the, boss tell me what to do. Okay, so let's get right into this. I've got some foam core, and I got this purple. It's a lavender purple, and it's from applebarrel, and I'm just going to paint this foam core with it. Now, foam core, when it gets wet and it starts to dry, it bows up, and in a minute I'm going to show you how I handle the bowing. So I just get this all completely covered. I'm not too worried about it being like solid, complete, because I'm going to be doing some dry erasing on it. And here I notice it bowing, so I put a thing of paint on it to see if it will finish drying and not bow. But that ended up not working, and so I have to do something else, which is what I end up doing is what I usually do. But here I am, I'm taking my white applebarrel paint, and I'm just going to dry erase that on the front of this foam core. And I don't do it too heavy, but I don't do it too light. I wanted it to show up, so I wasn't too worried about having big streaks in it. And when I go back over it, it kind of works at them after I get some of the paint off. But I really liked the way this ended up turning out. And yeah, so I'm just going now on the other side and just dabbing it off on a napkin and just dry erasing that all over the front of this. And if I haven't said it yet today, welcome to my channel. If you're brand new, I'm so glad you're here. I hope you stick around and totally enjoy my channel. And if you're already a subscriber, hello, thank you for coming back, and it's nice to see you. You guys are awesome subscribers, so I really enjoy that. Thank you. Okay, now that I finished that, I'm grabbing some of these large pop craft sticks, and I'm just measuring out and cutting so that it will make a border around the picture. Now I'm just painting them with that white acrylic paint, and I end up putting 2 coats on this, and then after I get done with that, I'm going to start hooking them onto the picture as a border. So but it started to really bow up, so I turned it back over and I am correcting the bow, and I'm just hooking. I put 2 popsicle sticks or craft sticks, and then I decided to put some dowels on it, and that completely straightened it completely out. Now I'm going ahead and I'm just going to glue these on as the frame, and I'm just hot gluing it, and that ends up sticking. And as you can see, I have little gaps, and that's why I've got the rest of that one craft stick left. And here I am just cutting those little pieces so that they fit right into there to make the frame. Okay, now I get that finished. I take the the Dollar Tree wording, and I'm just going to lay that right on there, and I'm going to cut a small piece of jute and put it on the back side as a hanger. And then I'm going to go around to the front, and I'm just going to Mod Podge over the top of the whole front, because the thing from all the words and from Dollar Tree was very shiny, and so the outside wasn't shiny, and so I went ahead and used the glossy Mod Podge and just completely covered it. I hope you guys really like this. Don't forget to go down to the description box. It's got the link to Annie Jones as well as Melissa Makes It DIY's channels. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, give me subscribe, and hit that notification bell, as well as don't forget to leave me a comment. I love comments. Also, remember, be the Bible that somebody reads today. And you guys all have a blessed week. Bye-bye.